first question is x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus. X plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus. Is this a quadratic equation? Yeah, answer might be yes or no, but to get to that answer you have to solve. Simply by looking at the yes or no, that you can't. Okay. So there's a method you have to solve. What you have to do is you have to get this equation to the standard form. This is not in the simplest form, correct? No? This has a square, there is something to be multiplied, all those things are there. First you have to solve that. Finally we can tell whether it's quadratic equation or not. Okay. Directly you cannot tell. So this thing, x plus 1 whole square, how can I simplify x plus 1 whole square? It is in the form of a plus b whole square. What is the expansion of a plus b whole square, Moaz? It's not there in here. What is the expansion of a plus b whole square? Okay, everyone. You can tell. Then don't drive us. Okay, now listen. These three things, three formulas are very important in algebra. Without these three formulas, you cannot solve anything. I'll write down those three formulas. If you don't know, just write it down. One is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Other one is a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Last one is a plus b into a minus b. That is equal to a square minus b square. These are the three most important formulas. Without this, you can't even touch algebra. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Okay, now here which formula should I use? Which formula should I use? I should use a plus b whole square because something plus something the whole square. Okay, so what is the expansion? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is a, this is b. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. Is that right? The first term is a, second term is b. So a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. Same as this expansion. Correct, no? Is equal to, here what to do? 2 into x minus 3. What is 2 into x minus 3? What is 2 into x minus 3? You have to multiply that 2 to both the terms. So 2 into x is 2x. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Okay. So now, we first write it correctly. X square is x square only. What is 2 into x into 1? 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into x is 2x. What is 1 square? 1 is equal to 2x minus 6. Okay. Now what you have to do is get all the terms on the right towards your left. So x square plus 2x as it is. This plus 2x, if I get it this side, will be minus 2x. 1 as it is. Minus 6, if I get it this side, it becomes plus 6 is equal to 0. So x square as it is. What is this 2x minus 2x? Will it cancel out? 2x minus 2x cancels out. What remains? What remains? 1 plus 6, 7 is equal to 0. So this is my final thing that I get. Now tell me, is this a quadratic equation or not? Is this a quadratic equation or not? Is it in the general form? What is the general form of a quadratic equation? ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Where a not equal to 0. Correct? No? This is the general form of a quadratic equation. Is this equation in the general form? Yes, it is. You might be telling that, sir, x term is not there, right? That is why it's not a quadratic equation. So the only condition for being a quadratic equation is that A should not be equal to 0. This term should not be equal to 0. If A is equal to 0, then it doesn't become a quadratic equation. But this B, right, it can be equal to 0. So now this can be written as x square plus 0x plus 7. Is it correct? X square as it is. Instead of x term I write 0x because 0 into x is 0 plus 7. Okay. This is it in the general form? Correct. No? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So if x square term is there, this is very simple. Don't worry about anything. In a quadratic equation, x square term should be there. No matter what are the other terms, it doesn't matter at all. If x square term is there, it is a quadratic equation. If that middle term is 0, also not an issue. It's a quadratic equation. If this last term is not there, also not an issue. It's still a quadratic equation. So what should you look for in a quadratic equation? X square term. If x square term is there, it is a quadratic equation. So is this a quadratic equation? Yes, because x square term is there, this is a quadratic equation. Suppose if I have x square is equal to 144. Is this a quadratic equation? Yes, x square minus 144 is equal to 0. X square term is there, right? If x square term is there, it's always a quadratic equation. But is this a quadratic equation? No. Here it's not a quadratic because you have x cube term. If x cube term is there, it becomes a cubic equation. Okay. The highest power should be 2. That's it. That becomes a quadratic equation. Is the concept clear to everyone? Okay. So write this down.